from coast to coast. Canada is a very big country. It is in North America. Canada has 10 provinces and 3 territories. British Columbia is on the west coast. It has big mountains and green forests. Many people live in the city of Vancouver. The prairie provinces are Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba. They have flat, grassy land. Alberta has mountains and farms. People find oil and gas there. Many cows live on the farms. Saskatchewan grows a lot of wheat. The wheat is used to make bread and pasta for people all over the world. Manitoba is in the middle of Canada. The city of Winnipeg is there. It gets very cold in the winter. Ontario has many lakes and forests. It also has big cities with factories. Toronto and Ottawa are in Ontario. Quebec is a province where many people speak French. Quebec City is very old. Montreal is a big city in Quebec. The Atlantic provinces are next to the ocean. They are New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, and Newfoundland. Fishing is important there. In the far north are the territories: Yukon, Northwest Territories, and Nunavut. It is very cold there. The winters are long and dark. The summers are short and bright.